Do you have an itchy scalp? Do you find yourself constantly scratching your head because of those flakes or dry scalp? Wondering how to treat itchy scalp at home? Then keep watching to find out. In today's video, Silva Guide will be talking about 5 best ways to treat itchy scalp at home. Can I treat my itchy scalp with baking soda? What about yogurt? Wait, mashed bananas can be used at home to treat itchy scalp? We will be talking about all these and more. Number 1. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is your scalp's best friend. Oh yes, due to its antifungal and antibacterial properties, this wonder oil reduces the risk of fungal infection and balances the moisture of the scalp and hair. How to use? Warm the coconut oil for 10 seconds. Make sure the coconut oil is not too hot to cause you a scald. Apply it all over your head and allow it to sit for 15 minutes. Rinse off with shampoo. Number 2. Mashed bananas. Bananas have antimicrobial properties which help clear up your dried scalp. And not only do they help to moisturize, they also nourish your scalp and as well as serve as an effective treatment for dandruff. To prepare, mash or blend your banana with a few tablespoons of coconut or olive oil. Massage into your scalp and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Then, wash off with your regular shampoo. Number 3. Apple cider vinegar. Because of its anti-inflammatory and probiotic properties, apple cider vinegar is an effective home remedy for itchy scalp. This versatile ingredient also helps to balance the pH of the scalp, and in the process, eliminates the bacteria and fungi that could be causing itchiness. Just mix a part of apple cider vinegar with an equal part of water. Apply directly on your scalp and allow it to sit for 5 minutes before rinsing off. Finding the list interesting? The next one will definitely surprise you. But first, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button to be the first to know when we upload. Number 4. Yogurt and egg. This might sound like a weird combination, but trust me, this mixture is a superhero when it comes to saving you from itchy scalp. You may ask, how can yogurt and egg help in the treatment of itchy scalp? Let's see. Yogurt contains probiotics and as well helps in exfoliating the scalp. On the other hand, eggs contain protein and fat which can nourish and protect the scalp against damage from free radicals. So, you can make a hair mask with yogurt and egg. Just mix a few tablespoons of plain yogurt and 1 well-beaten egg. Massage the mixture into your hair and scalp. Allow it to sit for 10 minutes. Afterwards, wash off with cold water. Don't use warm water, else the eggs may cook and be much more difficult to wash out. Number 5. Baking soda. The versatile ingredient is not only meant for baking, it is one of the tried and true home remedies for itchy scalp. Baking soda kills the bacteria that causes itchiness, thanks to the antifungal and antibacterial properties. So you really don't need to break a bank to treat that itchy scalp. All you need to do is to make a thick paste of baking soda and water. Spread evenly over your scalp and allow it to sit for 15 minutes before you wash off with your regular shampoo. Have you ever had an itchy scalp? Have you tried any of these methods? Let us know in the comment section. Enjoy this video? Remember to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more interesting videos like this one.